Okay, nice. Shall I tell about me?
Yes, of course. Sure.
Okay, thanks for first of all, thanks giving me such opportunity. My name is Ruby, and I am from Assam. As for my qualifications, I am simple graduate. After graduation, I have done my previous also, but due to some problem, I have not cleared it. I had done 1 year computer diploma from Aptech University. Then I had worked in a school for 10 years. After that, I got married, and after married, I did not done any job because I have to help my husband. But last year, uh, I joined in a school where I worked for 10 months as a maths teacher. I teach there from 6 to 10 maths. But again, I leave that job because of my family problem.
Yeah.
So, now, totally, I am a housewife. I have single kid. He has grown up now. This is little bit on me.
That's great.
Okay.
How about you?
Ma'am,
Okay.
you told me that you right now you are talking to me from Pune, right?
Yes,
Then
of course.
I think
Yeah.
you are the husband. I think you have got
Yeah.
married in Pune, or you are
Yeah.
living there for purpose.
Yes, of course. My husband is doing job here, and still I'm from Maharashtra. It's near, not too far away. My hometown. It's like reach to 10 hours maybe, or yeah. But I still living here last for 10 years. Yeah, you can say, and in future also already from, you can say, Pune. I like Pune city. Hmm.
Uh, Pune is better choice than Maharashtra for you, right?
Because their
Yeah.
environment is very awesome, always feel, very calm and no, rush here, lot of, and the weather is, if talk about the weather is also good here. Every time we not feel, very, hot air. And yeah, sometimes you feel hot, but after one day rain is, after as rainy, then no matter is, you can easily, live here. And in other, you talk about other area, it's reached like 50 in May month, the weather,
Wow.
you can say. Yeah.
This is this is
So
very
it's,
high.
yes, yes.
Now, what about the climate of today in Pune? It means where are you living?
Yeah, today is also, feeling very cool here, because yeah, from yesterday, it's raining, and still is not more, just sometimes it's raining. And but yes, always temperature is 26 here. So yeah, no need to fan every time. No need to. You turn on fan, and you will leave without, you can live without fan. Always I turn off fan whenever I'm living anywhere. I feel cool all time.
Uh, I'm asking you that why are you learning the English language? Language, it means you are trying to more improve. You're trying to improve more the English language.
Yes, of
Already
course.
you
Yeah.
can speak. In spite of
Yeah.
you are trying to improve more. Why?
Yes. Because yeah, sometimes I feel I'm just the level. I'm beginner level. I'm not using advanced. So I want to reach advanced level. So that's why I'm practicing more. I try to, use advanced words and phrases to, shows your English be a fluent. That's why I'm
Yeah.
trying. Yeah.
You are you are using only the platform. It means just I am talking with you, DJ, from YouTube, not sorry, from Skype app, or you are using other platform also like Goo or any other platforms. Are you using?
uh, so, if talk about now, I'm not, using now anything. But earlier when I start my just stripping journey, that time I tried so many apps. So I tried 8 days, 9 days. But when I feel like this is not it's good, so I uninstall. Then another time another app. So yeah, so many apps I took experience how it's and how is speaking practice their people. Yeah.
When you join here in this school,
It's been now 2 months. 2 months, you can say. I joined, yeah. And before that, only whenever I want to speak to, I mail everybody so they can confirm the session. So then okay. So then meet up for the conversation.
are you
That's it.
consistent? Are you
Yes.
consistent?
Yes, if you talk about the audio call, I'm always using audio call. But on talk about audio call, sorry, video call. Last from 2 months, I'm not continuous because yeah, also in holidays there are so much function and all in-laws are coming and going. So yeah, I'm very frustrated about. So I'm not continuous. So I'm always using audio that time. So that time I speak more. Audio call because if you are doing something and you are working as well as you are talking, it's okay that time.
That
But
is
on
easy,
audio call
but
is not. Yes.
in video call we have to be prepared. That means,
Yeah.
we should be in
You can't
dressed
move
at
here
least.
and here. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. And in audio
So
call we may talk working in our kitchen also.
yes,
Together
both
goes.
you are doing. Yes, that's right. That is yeah. Sometimes I'm talking with my kids also. If I'm bored, if no one can available, so I started speaking with my kids. So that time, sometimes I started reading if I'm bored.
Nice.
Yes.
How old they are? How old they are?
One, my daughter is now 2 years completed, and my son is now turning to 10. Yes,
Yeah. So your daughter is so young, so it is very
yes, yes.
uh,
It's
in this
really
is it is
difficult,
very
yeah.
yeah.
She is always disturb me. Also, she is now outside. She is calling me, please open the door and close the door. That
Yeah.
yes,
This age is very interesting is which in the when the childs are 1 to 2 years old, we parents enjoy a lot with them because they try to learn daily new things, and
yes,
their brain is white, and whatever we told them they do that, so it is very
yes.
interesting. And we parents
Must
always
they
not.
follow? They follow us every time. They follow us. Whatever papa's doing, whatever mama doing, this doing same thing that time. Yes, they copy all
Yeah,
the time.
yeah. The
Mhm.
this age is very beautiful age, and every parents enjoy this age of their child.
Yes. And this moment I want to capture every time because yeah, when they grown up, so that time we watch it, we are memorize how they are doing, how they are done that times. So that only the memories we are capturing in the moment. It's
Mhm.
very
Right, right,
yes,
right.
yes.
Yeah.
So how many kids do you have?
I have only one kid. He has grown up. He has current year he has completed his 12 standards. Now he's preparing for BTech. Let's see what
Okay.
happens. And this is it.
Oh, now
Uh,
it's nice.
yeah. Tell me
Mm.
about the tourist place of Pune.
Okay.
Tell me about the tourist place of Pune. I don't know anything about Pune. So,
Okay. In Pune, lots of places are you want to visit. So there are. If it's not enough 1 year to if you plan to move and visit every day. So I'm also we are also planning to weekend to move everywhere, but not possible due to the area is so long. It will take two
mhm,
times, and also if you have children, so very difficult to plan
yes,
weekends go here. And main here is the hill station are more so, and resort
Chana.
and many resorts are here there, so many resort. And main thing is famous areas is palace are here, more palace and old fort, many forts are there, so many things are there for visiting, and famous temple near them. famous, and Decade Agora, who are already famous. Their places also there.
What is famous temple? Sorry, please again. Name the famous temple of Pune.
One is the Dagru Set Halwai, this Ganpati's temple, very famous. And yes, and near is a lot of Jejuri, means this is Mahalakshmi Mandir, and all those things are near, and is you can see all people are in Maharashtrian believe that to go Ashtavinayakali. Eight places of Ganpati temple is here. You want to visit one time at a one round. You want to visit there. It's behind all the story. So it's very so people are always prefer to go all eight places at a 1 or 2 days, one by one.
Nice. Then
Yeah.
tell tell me, ma'am, to communicate, do we need grammar to communicate people? If we approach him or her to talk in English, then are there it is necessary uh, English grammar for the beginners just to communicate? Is it
Yes.
necessary grammar?
Yes, of course. In my point of view, grammar is very important. If yes, everyone says practice is important, I'm saying yes, practice also important, but the basic rules, at least structure of what is the sentence formation, so you can understand better in front of people what's saying, and also you can also communicate with the others with the same formation. So without the structure, we can't communicate with the other, and how to place the verb, how to place the helping word. So we are misplaced if you don't know though. So yeah, you can then that time you can only speak only one specific word, like one specific word that time. So you're not using a long sentence that time if you don't know the grammar that time. So yes, I
Yeah.
must say grammar is very important. Basic, I say basic at least tense, and when we use helping word and how to use article. So basic grammar is very important if you want to speak English. So
But
whenever you yes, everyone say that you start speaking English, automatically you speak. But before you also speak, I know in front of people say you can speak, you can again hear same things, you can speak. But apart from that, if someone asks you something new questions, so you can't answer that times, because in your mind is already your native language is structure is ready. But in English, you that time you are confused how to say that time. If you know the structure, that time you can easily convert this structure, your native language, to English that time.
yeah, right. This is right. But in my convey, many of us, even I also, we know grammar and we know vocabulary, phrasal idioms also. But if we don't start to speak, no, then we cannot speak. So when we start, in spite of have knowledge, we do wrong. So first you start, don't think about the grammar. Grammar will come automatically because this knowledge is in you. But because lack of practice, we don't do the correct. Sometimes also I also do wrong in grammar, but I can guess that I when I watch my video and listen that I understand that I have done here wrong. So in my convey, you start. There may be wrong in grammar also. If you do something wrong, we are belongs to Hindi language country, So if you can approach in Hindi also, automatically you will understand this what where you are doing wrong. In that time, you will get opportunity to correct you. So in my comment, first you start. Grammar is necessary. It is important. But first you start. Automatically you will be learn more and more in grammar also because who are speaking in front of me, suppose I am speaking in front of you now, no, so I will learn one sentence or two sentences or one word every day from you, and you also will able to learn from me. So if you don't keep practice, if you shy, that's there may be wrong, I am not expert in grammar, then you will not able to learn, right? In my
Yeah.
community, first thing is you start, you talk. Wherever you go, if anybody appreciates you, if you get any environment, you talk, don't feel shy. There may be wrong a lot, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yes. Yes, of course.
so
Yeah, right. Speaking is also important. Yes, of course. Everyone they are learn grammar in their schooling, and yeah, but due to practice, they can't speak fluently. I must say.
you,
Of course, I agree
you
with you. Yes.
yeah, you see our background. I don't know what was your schooling background. I think it is Hindi medium or English medium. Your
Yes.
schooling background was
Yes. Marathi medium. Yeah.
Marathi medium. I'm from Assam, so my medium was Assamese. But whenever we admit our child in schools, no, they learn. They have started to learn from nursery. In that time, they don't know the grammar. After all, they are learning. If you admit your child in a good schools, then they are able to speak nicely in class one standards. They learn it. So they don't know the grammar. They don't know the even simple present, simple past, and simple future also. After that, they can speak. They are the speaker of English. So starting is more important than grammar, I think. Automatically,
Yes.
we learn who are in front of me. So this is uh, now it
Yeah.
is almost 20 minutes.
Yes, of
Okay.
course. Yeah. Yes, we wind up. No.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll
Thank
meet
you.
you again. Nice
Bye.
to talk with
Yes, of